Okay, now this is the diagram that is given to us. The first thing that we are supposed to do over here is we have to mark the focus. The scale is given over here. X-axis and Y-axis, it is 1 centimeter each. The focal length, the distance that is given from the center of the lens, that is 5 centimeters. The first thing that I'm going to do over here is 5 centimeters. Okay, each one of these units that is shown over here is 1 centimeter. This is 2 centimeters, 3, 4, and this is going to be 5 centimeters. This is the focus. On the other side also I'm going to mark the focus. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this distance is 5 centimeters. This is the focal length. Then what are the rays that we are going to draw? Okay. Now we don't know what is the size of the object and what is the position of the object. The position and the size of the image is given over here. All right, so the first thing that we have marked over here are the two distances of the focus. These both distances are 5 centimeters as it is given that the focal length is 5 centimeters. Now the position of the image is given over here. We are supposed to locate the position of the object. So the first ray that I have drawn over here is this green ray. This ray that is passing through the optical center, it is going to pass through without any deviation. This is the first ray that I have drawn. The second ray that I'm going to draw over here is the ray that is passing directly through the focus, because the two rays that are going to meet are going to be from here. So I'm going to draw the second ray. Just look at which ray I'm going to draw. The second ray, the blue ray that I have drawn, this is the ray that is passing through the focus, through the end point of the image. Another ray that I am going to draw over here is the green line that I have drawn. Okay, because we know that any ray that is parallel to the principal axis, it has to pass through the focus. Where the green line and the purple line are meeting, that is the position of the object. And then I'm going to explain you the diagram other way around. So this is where the green line and the purple lines are meeting. That is the position of the object. I will just mark the position of the object. Okay, over here I've marked the position of the object. Now, how do these rays travel? Okay. Now I'm taking over here. This is the position of the object. The green ray is traveling parallel to the principal axis. It has to pass through the focus, so that's why this blue ray is drawn. The second ray is the purple ray. This ray is passing through the optical center. It is passing through this line. And then backward ray is extended, and that gives where these both rays are meeting. That is this one and this one. These both rays are meeting at this position. That is the position of the image. So this is how on reverse construction we are getting the position of the object. I'm again explaining which rays I have started to draw these ray diagrams. How did we start this ray diagram? The explanation once again. This is the image. The first ray that I have drawn is this purple ray passing through the optical center and passing without any deviation. The second ray that I have drawn is this blue ray. Straight away I am making it pass through the focus. The third ray then I have drawn over here is this green line, the green colored ray. How I have chosen this point? I have chosen the intersection of the blue line and the line that is passing through this lens. So I have drawn this line parallel, the green line. Wherever the green line and red line are intersecting, that is the position of the image, which is this orange part. This is the position of the image which I have darkened it. Now we are supposed to measure this distance, object distance, and we are supposed to write it down. The object distance is 2.8 centimeters. This is the final ray diagram. If you have any questions, you can ask me.